Hello everyone. So today we will start with the concept of class in Python. That means how you can start with the class. Okay. So first of all, obviously to declare the class, we have to use the keyword class and for example student. Okay. And class student obviously and colon. Okay. Now inside that, suppose I have one function, so using def keyword we can write for example display function and again colon. And suppose if I want to write hello world as a message, so suppose I am writing hello world, and if I'm done with the class and inside this class I have only one method. Why I'm saying method? Because inside the class, if you are defining any function, then it is called as method. And outside of class or for normal purpose, if you are declaring any function, then it is called as function only. Now next thing is, we have created class, that is student. Inside that we have one display function. So the second part is how to create object of the particular class. So for example, S1 I want to give as an object name. So I will write S1 equal to, and what is my class name? Student. So I will write S1 equal to student and then bracket. This indicates we have created one object of class student. Now if you are interested in calling display function, so we cannot write directly only display, because it is declared inside the particular class. So using the object name, we can call display function. Now here, before I execute, I know there is one problem or mistake or something missing is there in this program, that is over here in the parameter bracket. But still I will execute this. We will check the error first and then we will come back to this program and then we will rectify that things. So Control S and F5. See, we are getting one error message, that is student.display. See, one more thing, S1 is the object of which class? Student. So it will be student.display only. It is taking 0 positional argument, but 1 was already given. So now coming to the main part of this, that is nothing but self variable. So what is the self variable? Self is the default variable which refers to the current class object, or you can say that current instance of a class. That is one point. Second is, by using this self, we can initialize the instance variable inside the constructor. That we will discuss afterwards, how we can declare and all that things, or how we can initialize. Then third point, by using this self variable, we can access instance variable as well as instance method also. You can give some other name also, not necessary to give self only, but most commonly used or preferred is self. And the last point, what it contains? It contains the address of current object which is being referred. So now we will check we are getting the output or not after writing the self variable as parameter inside the display function. So always remember one thing, if you have a class and if you have one method or maybe multiple method, compulsory you have to pass one parameter and name of that parameter will be self. Okay, so let us check that now we are getting the output or not. Control S and F5. We are getting the output. We are not getting any error message now after writing what? Self. Okay, So it is a good practice to have a self. Okay. Now that means in this video, you know how to declare a class, how to declare any method inside the class, what is the meaning of self parameter, how to create object, and using that object, how to call particular function. Okay, so that is all about, you can say that, basic things related to what class student. In my next video, because this is only the part one actually right now, in my next video we will go ahead slowly, we will start with the constructor, and also we will print the value of this self also, so you will get to know properly. Okay, so right now only the introduction about class. Thank you everyone.